Looking for that 12th gen Intel all-white build with DDR4 support? The ROG Strix Z690-A gaming Wi-Fi D4 is the answer to the enthusiast who wants a Windows 11 ready LGA 1700 compatible motherboard but still wants to be able to use the parts from a recent build. From the integrated LGA 1200 AIO bracket support to supporting DDR4 RAM. What is old is new with this Strix Z690-A gaming Wi-Fi D4. Unique to the white scheme is a custom acrylic design only available for this model and an accompanying reusable integrated cable organizer. There's 4 total M.2 slots supporting Gen 4 NVMe and 1 PCIe 5.0 slot. Wi-Fi 6E comes standard and there's even a Thunderbolt compatible header. Enjoy the ease of Toolless M.2 installation with the Q-Latch system and reap the benefits of improved heatsink designs and the 16+1 70A power design. Harness the power of Intel 12th Gen CPUs with ROG Strix Z690-A gaming Wi-Fi D4.